Good morning, dear students. Last topic I have completed, and what was the last topic? Computer lab rules. And what I told in this chapter, some rules and regulations are there. We are going in different places, so some rules and regulations are there, and it's our duty. We should follow that rules and regulation. If you are coming to the school, so different rules and rules are there, and you should follow. And if you are sitting in the classroom, then also rules and regulations are there, and how you will sit, how you will behave to your teachers, how you will behave with others. Like that, some rules and regulations are there. Like this, while you are going in the computer lab, some rules and regulations are there, and you should follow. It's your duty. You should follow rules and regulations. So what I told in the, just for the revision I am telling, what is the rules while you are going in a computer lab. So first, go in line. You have to make a line, then you have to go in the computer lab, and which place is assigned by your teacher for you, in that place you have to sit and work and keep seated quietly. You have to sit quietly, you have to do your work, and you do not change, you did not change any computer settings, and log in and log out or your account only, and don't change the password and username and all, and don't share also with others password and username. And do not eat or do not drink anything in the computer lab, and never rename or delete any data which is in the computer. Without asking your teacher, you will not change any setting, and you will not delete any data. And leave your computer lab clear, push in the chair, and hang up the headphones when you leave, and keep the things in the proper place, and then have to come out from the computer lab. So this was the last chapter, computer lab rules, and I will give you PDF, then you will write like this. So now come to the next chapter, Touring India, chapter 28, Touring India. So in this chapter, some places are there, some famous places, photographs are there, and we have to find out where it is situated. So there are many places worth seeing all over India. All over India, different places are there, and some famous places are there, so that we want to see. And here photographs are given in your book, and you have to find out which place it is situated. Identify the places where these monuments can be seen. First one, Golden Temple. Golden Temple, where is the Golden Temple? Amritsar, Punjab. First one is the Golden Temple is situated in the Amritsar and Punjab. Taj Mahal is situated Agra, UP, Uttar Pradesh. Victoria Memorial, Kolkata, West Bengal. And fourth one is the Gateway of India. Gateway of India, it is situated in the Mumbai, Maharashtra. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur, Rajasthan. India Gate, New Delhi. Tiruvallar Statue, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Vidhan Sodha, Bangalore, Karnataka. So these are the some famous places of India, and you have to find out where they are situated. Now find out, name 4 popular monuments of your region. This is your homework. This is your homework. You have to write in GK copy. This is your homework, and you have to write in GK copy. Name 4 popular. You have to write. This is your homework. Name 4 popular. Name 4 popular monuments monuments of your region. Of your region. Name 4 popular monuments of your region. This is your homework. If it will ask in the exam like these questions, name 4 popular monuments of India, then you can give the different names like Golden Temple, Taj Mahal, Victoria Memorial, Gateway of India, and Hawa Mahal, India Gate, like that. Different monuments are there, and if it will ask in the exam like this, name 4 popular monuments of India. You have to write name 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. Then you have to give Golden Temple, Taj Mahal, Victoria Memorial, Gateway of India, Hawa Mahal, India Gate, Tiruvallur statue, Vidhan Sudha. So this is the question, this is your homework, and you have to write in the GK copy. Name 4 popular monuments of your region, where you are living. What are the 4 popular monuments which is situated related to your region where you are living? So this is your homework, you have to write in GK copy. And so chapter 28 completed, and you will take revision of this chapter. Understood all of you? And homework also you have to write in the GK copy. Thank you.